Hi all, welcome back to Sumaya De Couture. Today we can make a very simple pencil skirt. For that you need a 1.5 meters of cotton fabric, and the same you need the measuring tape, ruler, scissor and a fabric marker. I'm using a pre-cut fabric for this project, so I can show you the measurements. You can see both sides, one is wide and other one is short area. This is my waist part and the narrow side is my knee area, that hem area. Let's start the measurement. Total length of the waist measurement is 13 inch. That includes 9 inch of the waist measurement. 9 inch is a 1/4 of the measurement. Then 3 inch I'm using for my box pleat, and rest 1 inch for the seam allowance. So 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9 inch for the waist measurement, 3 inch for the box pleat and 1 inch for the seam allowance. So total 13. So you can see 4 layers of fabric, one for the front panel and the second piece for the back panel. Cutting front and back together. Total length of the fabric is 22 inch plus 2 inch for the seam allowance, total 24. You can mark 2 inch seam allowance in the bottom area. So total waist area is 13, and from the waist we can measure 8 inch point for the hem area. Sorry, not for hem, hip area, hip measurement. This is the bottom part. The bottom is 9 inch plus 1 to 2 inch you can give for the seam allowance. This is the 2 layers of the fabric. This is for the waistband. I'm using 5 inch width fabric for the waist measurement. So when it fold into half, you'll get, after all seam allowance, you'll get 2 to 2.5 inch wide waistband in the waist area. I'll show you how to make this easy waistband. So total is 5 inch for the waistband width, and the length is depends on the waist measurement. Can separate both the layers. Both front and back layers are together. This is the waist area and the short area is the hem area. Separate the front and back panels. We can start with the box pleated measurement. The left and right area you can see the box pleat. The box pleat give maximum fullness to the tummy and the waist area. The front and back panel has 2 box pleats in left and right sides, so you can make and create that together. Then we can attach the waistband. Right side of the fabric is attaching to the right side of the waistband with 1/4 inch seam allowance. So we can pin the fabric and then we can do the sewing. have finished the pinning for the box pleats and the waistband attachment. There is 1 inch extension on the one side of the waistband. That area we can attach the, it's on the left side, we can attach the zippers and buttons for the extension area. And I'm giving a 6 inch slit for the same side of the zipper. This is the extended area. Here we can attach 1 or 2 buttons, so I can give button holes in the button extended area. So I have finished the sewing for both the side panels. This is the extended area, and I have finished with the zipper also. It's a normal zipper attachment from the sides, so the person can easily wear the dress because the bottom area is very narrow. So if we attach, if it's a elastic one, we can easily wear this fabric. If it's cotton, we have to attach any buttons or for the zipper for the easy wearing. And the waistband, I have attached the interfacing. You can see this interfacing there. Now I'm going to finish the waistband area. So you can give a box stitching and you can give the clean finish in the corners. Flip the fabric into the right side and we can finish the sewing, so you'll get a clean finish waistband. I finished the sewing in the sides. One side I have attached the slit, 6 inch slit, and one side, the same side, we have the extended flap for the buttons. 6 inch slit one side. Mainly on the left side, the same side, you can see the zipper opening and the same button closure with extension. It's very simple skirt and we can make it very easily within 5-10 minutes. This is the final look. You can see the box pleat in the front and back, both the sides. This is give the maximum fullness to the waist area. If the tummy is more, we can hide with this box pleat. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for the notification you can click the bell icon. Thank you.